Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of income tax officer versus Vikram Sujit Kumar Bhatia. This case has been reported in 453 ITR at page number 417. The matter has been decided by Supreme Court and the date of the judgment is 6th April 2013. In this case, a search was conducted on an SSC on 4th September 2013. In the search of this SSC, some documents related to some other SSC were found and satisfaction was recorded by the assessing officer of the searched person on 25th April 2017 and sent to the assessing officer of the other SSC. It is presumed in section 132 that in case of the other SSC to whom the search has not been made, it will be deemed to be the date of the search when the documents by the assessing officer of the other SSC has been received from the assessing officer of the SSC on whom the search has been made. For example, if the search is made on A and in the search of A, some documents related to B SSC has been found and the satisfaction has been recorded by assessing officer of A that these documents belong to B, and if the assessing officer of A sends these documents to B, then on the date on which the assessing officer of B will receive these documents, that date will be considered as date of search in the case of the other SSC on whom the search has not been made. So in this case, the documents have been received by the assessing officer of the other SSC on 25th of April 2017. So this will be deemed to be the date of search in this case. Now, in this case, the moot question was that there is an amendment in the Income Tax Act in section 153C from 1st June 2015 when the belong word was replaced by word pertain to, meaning thereby that the department before 1st June 2015 can initiate the assessment of the other SSC only in case when the documents belong to the other SSC were found on the SSC on whom the search has been made. But belong to word was very pointed, so that belong to words were diluted by the word pertain. So in this case, the assessee on whom the search was not being made was contesting the litigation on the point that the search has been made on in 2013 and the amendment has been brought in 2015. So that amendment is not applicable to me because that is not retrospective. But the point of the department was that in the case of the other SSC, in the present case, the date of the search will be 25th April 2017. So the amendment is applicable. So from the facts and circumstances of the whole case, the Supreme Court said that since the date of the search according to section 132 in the case of the SSC read with section 153C will be deemed that date on which the document has been received by the assessing officer of the other SSC, that is 25th April 2017. So in the nutshell, the Supreme Court said that the amendment in section 153C has the retrospective effect and the assessee will be assessed according to the word pertain to and not by belong to. There was amendment in Income Tax Act with effect from 1st June 2015 which says that the documents which pertain to the assessee will be liable to get the assessment done under section 153C. Earlier this word was belong to. So we can say that the belong to word was diluted by the word pertain to, and the Supreme Court said that this amendment is retrospective and the case of the assessee will be covered by the amendment. Friends, this case is very important because whenever the search is being made, a lot of the assessments are being opened in the guise of section 153C, because section 153C has been diluted with effect from 1st June 2015. So there is a chances that a number of the litigation will pop up by this case. This case has been decided in favor of the revenue. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Income Tax Officer versus Vikram Sujit Kumar Bhatia. The case has been reported in 453 ITR at page number 417. The matter has been decided by Supreme Court and the date of the judgment is 6th April 2023. Thank you, friends.